हेलो एंड अ वेरी warm welcome in your very own channel जिसका नाम है Beauty and Fitness Mantra with Gargi. So guys, as you have already seen the initial clip that today we will be talking about 5 most inexpensive but worth it Maybelline products. Disclaimer, not at all a sponsored video guys, and yes, first coffee of new year with you guys. I know that I'm a bit late, but still guys, you guys are my family and happy new year. Cheers. It's always awesome to caffeinate yourself before I start talking to you guys. तो आप सब ने क्या किया नए साल में, क्या क्या रेजोल्यूशंस हैं, प्लीज़ कमेंट बिलो. आई वुड लव टू नो कि क्या क्या रेजोल्यूशंस लिए हैं 2021 के लिए. एंड आज का वीडियो सुपर इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि ये मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट है यार. अगर अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स कम प्राइस में मिले, who doesn't love it? So today I will be sharing my top 5 most reasonable under 500 Maybelline products. Not a sponsored video, so let's get started. So guys, before I start, please do let me know that I have done this small background setup for all you guys, and I have a small studio within my room. So if you really like the background, the beautiful planter, and also that placard, as you can see, it's written behind, never give up. I specifically just looked at this thing which was in the mall when I went for shopping, and I was like, wow, this thing I really want for myself and also for my YouTube background, because I really want that whenever you guys watch my video, you are always reminded of who you are, and you are a warrior, you are a fighter. And I really want that no matter what issues we all are going through from our life, we should never ever give up. तो गिव अप नहीं करना है, जस्ट कीप चेजिंग योर ड्रीम्स एंड ट्रस्ट मी, आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव that all your dreams will come true. And yes, of course, these small fairy lights in a bottle, these two planters, I still need to get some nice plants for these two, but still I love these fairy lights, already in love with. So please comment below कि आपको background पसंद आया या नहीं. And let's begin with the first item from FitMe, which is under 500 guys. I'm sure by now already every girl has it, and this is only 450 rupees guys. I mean, just imagine. And this is basically from normal to oily skin people. Basically it covers all skin type, normal, oily, dry, everyone can use it. The only con of this product is that it doesn't come in the pump form, and that's why thoda nikalne mein messy ho jata hai. But given the price and also the quality, I absolutely feel that it's worth it. And also इसमें दूसरा variant भी आया, it's around 500 something, थोड़ा सा 500 के ऊपर है. This is for sure 450, and this is super stay. I feel that this is not for dry skin people क्योंकि बहुत जल्दी dry होता है, but for oily skin people, must have. It's amazing guys. So these are the foundations which you can definitely try from Maybelline and which are under 500. Second product guys, oh my god, I don't know how many of these I've already finished. This is the concealer which covers dark circles, and this is guys only 360 rupees, like only 360 rupees. And itna amazing product hai guys, you can just keep it in your bag and you are done. Like your dark circles will be concealed, and it's so lightweight, absolutely worth it. And guys, once you are done with your foundation and concealing your dark circles, we all need a good lightweight compact or a powder. Usually I'm not very fond of loose powders. I try to go with a very light compact, and this is again from FitMe, and my shade is Ivory 120. Guys, this is only of 435. That's it, under 500 hai, and it also has this mirror. And this is amazing guys, it's so compact. Like if you're traveling, you have a mirror, you have a sponge, and this is so good. Like whenever your makeup is getting oily, you can just dab this compact and you're good to go. It's really very lightweight, so I personally love this, and I thought that it has to be in this list under 500. So once you are done with your foundation and concealer, this is something so reasonable, only 430 rupees, and amazing guys, absolutely a worth buy. And next product is this. I don't know, will I ever be switching to some other mascara? If there is anything which can beat this, please comment below. I would love to try, बट दिस इज आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली रिपीटिंग, जैसे हमें कोई गाना पसंद आता है और हम लूप पे सुनते रहते हैं, so I keep on restocking it. दिस इज मेबेलिन लैश सेंसेशन एंड यू नो बहुत ही आपकी लैशेस जो हैं थिक लगती हैं, बहुत कर्ली अच्छी लगती हैं, एंड एब्सोल्युटली आई लव दिस एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली 500. यस सेल में थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है बट डेफिनेटली इट इज एग्जैक्ट 500 से ऊपर मैं आपको कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं बता रही हूँ. सो इट्स ग्रेट फॉर स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो गर्ल्स हु आर इन हॉस्टल और टीनेजर्स हु रियली वांट टू यू नो start with their nice reasonable vanity stuff. And this, how can I miss it? I just recently bought it and I'm in love with it already. This is Master Chrome you know highlighter, metallic highlighter illuminator basically, and this has two shades. One is golden, which is oof, wow, but I bought this pink, you know, rose gold kind of highlighter, and this is stunning guys. Like you are just you know apply on your high cheekbones and voila, it's magic guys. And the price of this is 495. So again you are getting such a you know high end benefit in such a amount. Like 495 is a steal. So Master Chrome, you know, this Maybelline highlighter must buy guys. And yes, last tip is that what not to buy. Like you know one thing which I absolutely regret buying from Maybelline is this guys. I absolutely regret buying this, and that too it's not under 500. ये पायलेट मैंने 855 का लिया था. दिस इज फ्रॉम Maybelline द ब्लश्ड न्यूड्स. बेसिकली क्या है ना, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डार्क आई शेडोज में नहीं हूँ. टुडे आई हैव ट्राइड डूइंग पर्पल, यू नो विच स्लाइटली पर्पल पिंक. इट्स गोइंग विद माई टॉप. इफ यू रियली लाइक द लुक प्लीज you know do comment. And mostly I'm into nudes and light pink and light you know peach shades for my eyeshadow. So I thought why not to go for this blushed nudes Maybelline. But honestly I regret buying it. पहली बात तो ये 855 का है, मुझे नहीं लगता worth it है, क्योंकि इसका कोई भी शेड well pigmented नहीं है. No matter how much I've tried to work on my eyes, it doesn't have any pigmentation. Like you know I absolutely feel that I wasted my money on this palette. So any of you who has it और आपके लिए you know work कर रहा है, suit कर रहा है, so I don't know, but personally it didn't work for me. So I wanted to share, you know, didn't work for me. So basically, you know, I really wanted to share all these stuff from Maybelline which are under 500 and are bomb products. Like they are dope. बहुत ही अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, वर्थ ट्राइंग है, एंड आई वांटेड टू शेयर बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑल अंडर 500. सो यू नो रियली अफोर्डेबल स्टफ इज़ ग्रेट एंड दैट टू विद हाई क्वालिटी, गुड क्वालिटी. तो आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं. और अगर मेरी कोई भी रिकमेंडेशन आपको अच्छी लगी है सो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताइएगा. एंड येस, एज आई टोल्ड यू इनिशियली कि मैं काफ़ी टाइम बाद क्यों आई हूँ. आई थिंक क्योंकि नवंबर दिसंबर बैक टू बैक 60 days I posted videos, and after that I needed you know a bit of break. So I was trying to work on my weight loss journey. I have lost 6 kgs. So any of you who really want to know that how I have lost 6 kgs, वो भी आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. एंड प्लीज़ मुझे बताइए कि बैकग्राउंड कैसा लग रहा है, आने वाले वीडियोस में आप कौन सा कंटेंट देखना चाहते हैं. प्लीज़ कमेंट गाइज, एंड ट्रस्ट मी यू मीन वर्ल्ड टू मी. लाइक आई रियली लव यू गाइज. एंड अगर अब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया गाइज, कम ऑन, what are you doing? Join the fam, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Please do share my videos and do not forget to press bell icon, जिससे कि जब भी मेरा कोई नया वीडियो आए तुरंत you are the first one to get notified, right? चलिए, I will see you super soon, and please बताइए आने वाले videos में what you would like to see. And if you are not following me on Instagram, follow me Gargi Sharma at 290. I will see you super soon. Till then guys, I love you all. Take care, stay happy, stay beautiful.